Hello, my name is Sam White, and I'm doing the release kickoff for the Container Security Group at GitLab for the 13.7 release. In this release, we're going to continue the work that I discussed in my 13.6 release kickoff around alerts management. In addition to that, we're planning to start some work around DAST project level schedule scanning policies. This is part of our new security orchestration category that we have at GitLab. And the end vision for this is to create a place where policies can be used to govern when scans are run and what actions are taken when the scans complete across all of the different code scanning capabilities that we have at GitLab. Again, in the long run, we want to provide that at the group and instance level as well as the project level, so that way you can create higher level policies that then flow down to your projects. For this iteration, we're planning to start just by doing some initial research to get our underlying architecture in place. And we're going to start work at the project level only, again, limiting the scope just to DAST and focusing on scan schedule policies and keeping with our spirit of iteration. Although we're starting with that, we plan to branch out fairly soon afterwards to include the other scanners and to up-level things to the group and instance. Just to share a few mocks of what that might look like, we plan to create a new policies tab in the GitLab UI. And in addition to the policies that we have today for container network security that are of the container runtime type, we plan to add a new scan execution type for these DAST policies. As part of that, you'll be able to click on one of those and get the details for the policy. And you'll be able to come in and determine when those scans are run according to what schedule. So you can pick either daily or weekly and pick what time you want those to run. And then you can also pick which scan profile or which scan you want to use in order to run that. This is still evolving. It's a pretty big new category that we have, and a big part of this release is just going to be devoted to determining our underlying architecture. So even though we won't be releasing this in 13.7, we plan to lay a good foundation so that we can move fast and release early and often in the future.